Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to try it one more time. Let's see if we can make it the actual car show this time. Alright. Hopefully we won't break down this time. And it's actually quite a nice day. It's like 40 degrees right now, which might be cold to some, but I'm not going to put the top up. It's actually not too half bad. The only problem with the carburetor, you have to let it warm up a little bit. Get that choke warmed up. But there was some good news. I did get some of my wiring parts yesterday, so yeah, if I just put on my hoodie it's not bad. So it's still chilly, but we'll live. I can roll my windows a little bit too. Help. I'm just too tall. My head still sticks out. Making sure all my gauges and everything's working good. I wish I was tinier. I barely fit with the top on. So it's kind of hard to drive, yeah, with the top on. I'm just too tall. My head, I mean, I fit, but barely, You guys pray for me. Let's see if we can make it. I'd like to go. I don't know. I'm getting there super early, so. All right, this is the spot that got us last time, right here. Guys, we're early, but we're here. All right, so we made it. We're kind of gonna go through some of the stuff that's here early in the morning. Now you've seen these 3 cars before, so we're gonna look at some stuff real quick. Yeah, it's still 8 in the morning. Tons of people are still pulling in. So we're gonna get a full parking lot, I do believe. Very nice here. You know, it's, I do these because a few people do like the car shows. I don't get a whole lot of views on them, but that's all right. It's just for the few people that really like them, you know. Got 3 DeLoreans here. Time machine one. All right, let's go down past the vendors here. This Lotus is just amazing looking. The twin turbo V8 version. one of my favorites showed up right now, so got a slammed NSX. Got a little Lotus. Royce, that's what they're known for, luxury. You can tell just even by the little video I got. Kind of hard to talk. Too loud. Through the window. Yeah, a lot to see. Come down this way a little bit. More vendors way over there.
This thing's sick. I want to buy this.
Some nice BMW M3s here.
For 59, fucking thing's sick. If not, I was gonna buy this to match with.
Some nice carbon on there. A like the color. It's a nice, like,
Good interior.
I don't know, like I don't know what color that is. It's like a chocolate brown, but it's nice.
41 grand. Talk about Germany.
All right, there's that corner. Now we'll go back over this way. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing great. Looks like it's going to be a good
Got to make sure to stay away from Escalade.
If anybody sees this and wants to buy it, there's your information. How you doing? Good?
Doing good. How you doing?
Doing well.
Automatic with AC.
Automatic with AC if anybody's interested. Some of these oh, okay, we got to see this. I love it. That's funny. Be awesome if an old grandma got in there and drove it.
En el escenario del mundo, tú eres la estrella. La vida es un vals. Baila y deja huella. Ama con pasión.
Some of these are going to be really hard to film.
Con más de tus sueños.
I love these little cars, these little dots. My favorite model years is the 67. If I could buy a 67, you know, I don't really fit in them as well as a C3 though, but I do like those C2s. They're just classic. It's basically art on wheels now. Yeah, parking lot's getting full. Nowhere to fit. The Trans Am. rolling in. New car smell. All right.
You told me where you're at. I was like, oh, I know my man's got a bar.
Whack!
Then they were coming out of the exit by the dealership right there, and then lighting it up all the entire way. Apparently there was one accident. Brakes are better.
Let's see if we can.
Speed is fast.
Nah, reflection's too heavy.
Oh yeah, it was.
doesn't happen more often.
Well, it was
See, I know better to park up here because you'll never be able to get out. You'll be the last one to get out. Look at this. It's nice and different. What are they called? GTM, I think. Could be wrong. I do believe these were like I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are like a kind of like a kit car. Oh yeah, GTM. Yep. But I could be wrong. All right, and we'll go over to the other side here in a minute. I'm trying to get like the interiors and everything. Everybody was saying that, like, you know, like a lot of videos, they don't take the interior shots. That's a nice color.
I like that.
That reminds me of my Granada.
It's a little lighter.
Yeah, mine was gray.
Oh, I was thinking of your Maverick.
Oh yeah, the Maverick. Yep. No, but do you remember the Granada?
I looked at Granadas for sale. They're like 12, 15 grand.
No, I know. I know. I don't like that. I don't mind it if it's me listening to my stuff.
Right.
But oh man, they got. Should we go down that way?
I'll go wherever you want.
All right.
I'm going to stay here for late today, so I don't.
I am too. I don't have to go nowhere.
And it's so nice.
It is nice. I think people aren't going to roll out until about 12 o'clock. 1, 2.
Yeah, they started rolling out like 9:30, 10 o'clock.
But it's a nice day. I think people are going to stay longer. Nice.
Do you add commentary or remove commentary?
Yeah, I can remove it.
I don't want to mess up your video.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll just put music to it. Oh, see, there's the other DeLorean. Let's go back that way.
This one looks a little rough.
That's what they normally look like.
Yeah.
It's funny, because Vipers were cheap there for a while. I mean, not cheap, but cheaper.
60.
Well, you could get them for $35,000. You know, the first models.
DeLoreans. I remember trying to talk my dad into getting a DeLorean. When that guy got arrested,
Yeah.
I swear to God, I remember a newspaper ad for 13 grand for a DeLorean, like 13.
DeLoreans used to be cheap.
Nobody wanted it.
No, because they were kind of junk back in the day.
Right, they were slow. They were kind of junk in the history of John DeLorean and his cocaine and whatever he did.
Yep. Well, that I noticed the same thing like when I had my Maverick. You know, I was like, you can't find out. You're finding like junk cars for $10,000-$12,000. You're like going, what?
Right. And everybody thinks the nice ones are still worth 10. I like them.
I want a wagon.
I love wagons.
Yeah.
I also like these in nicer condition. You can get the Volvo 40 shoebox. BMW.
Correct. I thought that for like a decade now.
I'm the only C3 here, and there's only one C2 Corvette over there.
Got the doilies on the seat. I like the true Asian box.
Certified shit box.
But it's not though.
I know.
It's a fucking BMW.
Oh, wow. Hmm. Has the mirrors up top. Says there it's a badass edition.
They were low in numbers.
They're very low in numbers.
Almost as low as the redneck edition that I've seen also.
And she still does 110 mile an hour.
Really?
Oh yeah, easy.
Yeah. On her, huh?
This is sweet.
Good stuff here.
Yeah.
There's an opening right there, so time to get our new record.
I can't really. Wish they would roll down their window. If I could see what's inside.
I love the chick on the trailer. It's got a British accent too.
Oh, yeah.
The center section's been big up and loose.
This is what makes it fun. You know,
Yeah.
the stuff they put on them. Yeah. And they're still rolling in.
I like the color.
I like the color too. I like different odd colors. Oh wow, that's a really nice one. There's a lot, man, and they're still rolling in. Look at this. This is crazy. This one's a lot more fun than Cars and Coffee because there's just so much more different and high-end exotics, and I like the Japanese cars.
There's one next Saturday that I want to see, and I want St. James Super Show.
A what? Sorry, say
There's one Saturday at LV College.
LV College.
That looks real good. There's another monthly one. I'll send it.
I think this one does so well because it's more centralized in the valley.
Well, the one, it's called whatever. The LV College is like right over there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like right down the street.
Ah.
And the YouTube of it last time was like this.
Okay.
And Anthony was there, of course.
Yeah, Anthony's. He just doesn't come to this one.
I've seen him here once.
I know. Ugly truck row, as I like to call it. Oh my gosh, it even goes all the way back there. I gotta get that Cobra in there.
I'm just walking. This is where I have fun.
Wish I could afford the Urus Lamborghini. I love them. They look awesome. Have you seen the inside of them? Very nice. Very nice paint job too. Nice and slick. It's that Cobra that rolled in earlier that one of my friends has one of these.
They're cool.
And
I think we'll be into those.
but his is just a driver. He's had it. He's the original owner. He bought it brand new. It just
Can't ever get rid of that.
and it gives him problems all the time. But he's not a mechanic. He doesn't like cars. He just drives it. You know, I'm like, that's awesome. Wow. Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I like the older BMW like that.
Oh yeah.
2008, is that what it is?
I don't know what year, but they're.
Are they about to switch? Oh, they should switch sides.
And all these cars still pouring in. Got some Mustangs down that way. I saw a hood like this for my cross track. I was like, that'd be kind of cool on there.
You have to go all the way.
I know.
Go all the way around.
But when I added that spoiler, it sure made a difference though.
It did. It's really good.
Added 20 horsepower.
Yeah, but the rack took away.
Yeah, the rack took away 15. You know, it's funny, that's just surface rust. That's really not.
Probably just sat for a while and
Yeah.
put it back together.
All right, we'll swing up the other way. See what's up the other way. You need help? Oh. Pretty cool. It's a kit car. It's a Fiero on a Fiero. All right, here's a few more. That kind of caught my eye. Very nice Cobra. Gotta go look at this Testarossa. When I was a kid, I had a poster on my wall with this. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't think I got this Camaro. Of course, I gotta get the 59 Corvette. I thought it was a 58 when it rolled in. Fuel injection. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. It's looking sharp.
Thanks.
I thought it was a 58 when it rolled in because I saw you from down the way, but now I get closer, I'm like, yep. How long have you had it?
Almost 26 years.
Good for you. Awesome.
Yeah, just finished restoring it. Caught on fire.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You know, I had that black 69 over there, and I had a carburetor fire too. Luckily, I was in the garage and I was able to put it out.
Nice Corvette, dude.
So,
I love it.
how'd yours catch on fire?
Electrical.
Electrical?
Doing a cruise down the strip.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah. Took off from a light. Flames roll out from underneath of it, around the hood.
Oh.
I pulled
Man.
into a 7-Eleven and a lowrider pulled in behind me.
Uh-huh.
Jumped out with his fire extinguisher and saved the car. But
Whew. How much damage? Quite a bit or not too
Quite
bad?
a bit.
Yeah. Man. Well, I'm glad he was be able to get fixed. All right, guys. We made it back in one piece. That was a very good car show, as you can see. you know, and I got some electrical parts, like, you know, my fuse blocks and all that, and then this is for like the heavy duty. Look how big these power bars are. So when I get my wiring and stuff, we'll be able to do that. But yeah, it was a very good show, very good outing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, thanks for watching me and sticking with me, and we'll see you next time, huh?